The Lord said, if as one people seeking the same language they have begun to do this, then nothing they plan will be impossible for them. Okay? So when thinking about AI and how we did this, this seems impossible. It seems impossible for us to create something artificially that becomes almost organic. But that seems to be what we did. So let's see. I've been saying that the Tower of Babel has been rebuilt on a bridge of scribble. Okay. Let's see. Mike Johnson, sorry I missed the conversation, but based on the caption, I don't trust AI Jesus, only what is written from the Bible. Yeah, and there's a guy named Lewandowski